J.R.R. Tolkien. What do you know about J.R.R. Tolkien? What is he famous for? John Ronald Reuel Tolkien was born on the 3rd of January 1892. He was an English writer and poet, and he taught English language and literature at Oxford University. But he didn't become famous as a university lecturer. His stories made him one of the best-selling writers of all time. He is best remembered for his fantasy novels, including The Hobbit and the Lord of the Rings trilogy. These recently became very successful films. The Lord of the Rings is one of the most popular book and film series ever. The story begins in the Shire, when we meet Frodo, a young and curious hobbit. He is sent on a mission to destroy an evil ring which has the power to rule Middle-earth. With the help of 8 friends, Frodo travels far and wide across Middle-earth to complete his task. However, Frodo's journey is dangerous. He has to be clever and strong to survive.
You shall not pass!
Tolkien created a complete fantasy world in his books. His wonderful world and characters influenced a lot of people. Tolkien died in 1973, after which his son published more of his work, including The Silmarillion. With the success of the Lord of the Rings trilogy and the Hobbit films, Tolkien's fantasy world is sure to live on for generations to come.